Assalamu Aleikum, my lovely friends and family. Hope you are all in the best state of health with sound iman. Welcome to IWHAT Ethnic Kitchen. In today's video, Ta'ala, we are going to be showing you how we make this lovely meal. So let's begin. Bismillah. I've got this Alad frozen turkey breast. So it's boneless. Yes, it's boneless. So I'm going to add cold water to that to defrost it. So I'll use it to make something tomorrow. I don't know what I'm going to make yet, but I'll come up with something, inshallah. Before finally going to bed, I'll add lemon. I've already had some lemon juice to this and some salt as well to the water. I got some vegetable here. I've got broccoli, cabbage, potato, mixed pepper, tomato, onion, garlic, ginger. So I'm going to use it to make the food. Let's begin the cooking. Bismillah. I've rinsed the turkey with lemon and salt. I want it to have a smoke effect or smoke taste. That's why I brought out the grill. So I'm going to place it on the grill now. I start by prepping the ginger, garlic, onion, and scotch bonnet. So I haven't had the ginger. So I'll add the ginger. You don't need to remove the skin of the ginger. You just need to clean it thoroughly. That's what I did. The kids were actually surprised that I'm cooking without seasoning. Anyway, I've told them that I'll help them add turmeric to it. So I'm doing that. I have turmeric. What else can I add for them? Okay, they say they want barbecue. So I'm going to add barbecue seasoning. That's barbecue seasoning powder. I don't even know that I'm tired. What else can I add? Okay. Paprika, little bit of paprika there. Are you happy now that I'm seasoning it? Where's black pepper? Okay. Black pepper is here. That's black pepper. And that's it. I think I'm done. Is that okay now? Spray a little bit of oil on it. This food experiment. I don't even know what I'm making. I'm just playing around. Well, it's fun. Okay. I'm getting the smoky effect that I really want. It has started being smoky now. So I need to keep spraying. Let's check the top piece. I'm happy with the top piece, so I'm going to cut the top bit off. It's very hot. Almost there. Wow, that's nice. I've cut the top part off as well. So I'm going to do this one while I slice that. Add little bits of oil and half of the ginger, garlic, and onion to it. And begin to eat. Just need half of this. I need bigger chopping board. Inshallah, I'm going to get one soon. The one that I have before get broken. This cabbage is very sweet. I got it from Lidl. I've never tasted that cabbage this sweet before. I have little more hot, so it's time for me to add the vegetable. And I'll let it simmer while I can slice the turkey. I'm adding 2 chicken mango flavor and minced herb. Just cut it like this. It is cut like this. I don't even know what's that. I just cut. Sliced smoked turkey is ready. The vegetable has been fried, so I'm adding the turkey to that while I prep the sauce. At this time, I'm going to hold the heat before I prep the sauce. Let me do a little bit of cleaning before making the sauce. To be honest with you, I don't know what sauce to make, but I've got all this almost empty bottle. So let's see what we can get out of it. That's mayonnaise. This is barbecue sauce. And this is another barbecue bottle sauce. One is not coming out. This burger sauce. I've got a lot of this in it. And this is another mayonnaise. I don't think it has got any inside. I add water to the mayonnaise and shake it well. I'm doing the same with this one. So I managed to get mayonnaise water. Add it the same weight. The what's it called? The burger sauce. So I'm transferring the liquid to the barbecue. All the bottles are now completely empty. So today I don't like to waste. I don't know why. I don't just like wasting food. So while this goes inside the recipe, I come back to the sauce. So I'm going to be adding this Thai sweet chili sauce. They like it a lot, so I'm going to be adding that. There's no point using this one. That is enough. I'm going to be adding my garlic mayo as well. I'm going to be adding a lot of that. Then I'll now mix with and blend that. I want the sauce to be a little bit white, so I'm adding more garlic powder to it. Is this yellow or orange? I'm mixing up my word now because I'm very tired. I have a long day. No wonder I feel hot and my head is foggy. It's because the door is closed. Anyway, the sauce has been added to the... My head is just bugging out. So I may not be able to explain what I'm doing. So just bear with me. After I finish mixing this, I will on the heat and put it on low heat to simmer for 10 minutes while I cover it. So this is done. Alhamdulillah. So I'll off the heat now. Transfer it into the bowl. Mashallah, the aroma and the smoke is so amazing. Let me taste it. Mashallah, not bad, although it's not my thing. I don't eat taste like this, but I purposely make it for the kids. It's sorted out. Anyway, I need to set this aside while I continue prepping for the second batch. These are the tomato and the pepper. I just need to blend it. Anyway, I need to set this aside while I continue prepping for the second batch. These are the tomato and the pepper. I just need to blend it. For the second recipe, I need to rinse the potato. Add salt to the potato and cover it to let it boil. Add oil. Add the chopped garlic, ginger, onion and pepper. After 2 minutes, add in the pepper mix. Add 2 Maggi cubes. Let me check the potato. It's still hard, so I'll leave it to keep boiling. It's kind of spicy, but anyway, these are making paprika, so I'm adding paprika 3 kg. So mix up a lot of turmeric. One teaspoon of curry powder. So while this is simmer on low heat, I don't slice the turkey. for this recipe, I need to cut the chicken and the turkey a little bit bigger. This time I didn't forget to use my fork. The turkey is still kind of juicy. Okay. Cover this and let it simmer for like 5 minutes while I prep the vegetable. The look of the carrot is not that good, so I'm having a bit of the broccoli. I'm going to chop it a little bit because if I leave it like that, they'll end up helping me put it in the bin. Just one should be fine. Oh, I forgot to run it. Oh, I overdo it, but it's okay. It's perfect. Mashallah, this looks so amazing and yummy. I don't know whether it is yummy, but it looks so nice. I'm proud of myself. I need to add the vegetable so that I will mix it and I will leave it just for 2 minutes and I'm done cooking. I mix well and let it cover for 2 minutes, just 2 more minutes to 5 minutes. I can't wait because I'm getting exhausted now. While waiting for the 2 minutes or 5 minutes to be over, I need to do some washing. Alhamdulillah, the 2 minutes or 5 minutes is over now. So this is done. I'm going to off the heat. And the potato is also ready. Yes, you can see. So Alhamdulillah, lacking in for another successful dinner. This one, they almost finished it. Almost done. If you want me to record you. Kini?
That's a cake. It's sweet though.
What cake? What's cake?
Spice.
Okay. Anyway, alhamdulillah. I like the potato. That's my own part. I really like the potato.
I'm black, I like chicken.
Wow. If you try the potato, it's kind of like, it tastes like sweet potato. I don't know how I did it. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. With this, we leave you in the care of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Stay blessed and safe with lots of love, IWHAT, and don't forget to keep smiling.